What's going on, guys? Boosted Whips here. I'm going to be doing another quick video on the Civic Si coupe here. We got the Lasfit turning signals. These are going to be super bright, and it goes on the front turn signals. I also have these for the back, but that'll be a separate video. Just want to show you guys how you install these and see how these babies look. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so to access the bulb, it's going to be really hard for me to capture this on camera, but it's literally right here. And try to zoom in, get my hand under here so you guys can see. But it's going to be the top. Let me try to pull it out so you guys can see. And there it is. It's that top one. Hard to see because there's these metal rails are in the way, so I won't be able to go ahead and show you, but you should be able to see the socket from here. I will replace it, put it in there, lock it in place, and that's it. So counterclockwise to remove the bulb, and then you lock it back in place on clockwise. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace the bulb, and then we'll take it from here. Here's the Lasfit, and here's the OEM one. Just gonna go ahead and remove. Pay attention to the orientation and the terminals. So you're gonna have one on the right hand side and the other one on the left hand side. We took it out of this way, so we're gonna go ahead and match it. So the same way. This avoids any polarity issues, and we'll go ahead and put it into the socket and see how that looks. Guys, special keynote here, you want to go ahead and remove the connector. This will facilitate, as you notice, the bulb is much bigger, so you're limited on space here. So what you want to do is disconnect the connector, put in the socket into the lamp socket, lock it in, and then you're going to go ahead and secure this. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and then I'm going to show you how it looks on the left hand side versus the right side stock OEM bulbs. There it is, guys. Look at that left side. It's so just night and day, super bright compared to the stock OEM. Looks like it's just missing some power. Here's the Lasfit. Such a beauty. Lights up real nice. And this helps out at night for visibility. So one key note, guys. I used the same orientation as I mentioned previously, but it wasn't working. So the best thing to do is to look at the inside socket and look at where the contacts are and match it to the bulb. That's your key right there. That looks beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and change the right hand side, and we'll wrap this video up. There it is, guys. Just looks phenomenal. Definitely recommend Lasfit. They will be available on their website directly. There's many discount codes out there. We can go through Crooks Motorsports as well. You can use Boosted HLZ on all the lighting that they have for the Civic Coupe or Honda Accord, and you can get your discount there. But very, very, very bright, guys. This is phenomenal. I highly recommend Lasfit. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, Boosted Whips. I'm out. Have a very pleasant day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.